Joel's theorems guarantee this. This is our second one. What are the three conditions? There are three conditions under which we can use roles. The one is the obvious one, but what are the other two? They're kind of dumb, but we have to keep them in mind. What are they, Joel? Right, that's one of them, that the f of A must equal f of B. That the heights of the 2 points must be the same. So that's one of the conditions. The other one?
It must be continuous and differentiable.
Those are the other two conditions. The function must be differentiable on the interval and continuous on the interval. So that's what we have to look at to see if we can use roles or not. We're also going to remember that probably on the AP exam they're not going to use the word roles. They're going to use guaranteed value. So let's go into this problem assuming that we've been asked, are there any guaranteed values for which the slope is 0? And are there? How would we test that? Take g of negative 5, and we'll compare g of negative 5 to g of negative 1. Seth, what is g of negative 5? Is 0. G of negative 1? 0. So this is an AP exam we're taking, so we're holding the hand of our reader. So we're going to say to them that f of, exactly, it's not f, let's be careful that we don't mix our metaphors here. G of C, g of negative 5 is equal to g of negative 1. Therefore, yes by roles. Sounds like something you do at the grocery store. Yes by roles. Sorry, Joel. Forgot how mature Joel is. Now what? Yeah, so this gives us a green light, because if we said no, then we don't have a guaranteed value by roles. We might have one by mean value theorem, or we might have one by intermediate value theorem, but we don't have one there. But in this case, we do. Therefore, the first derivative, otherwise known as g prime at x, is equal to 3x squared plus 10x minus 1. Good job. Equals 0, because that's what we're being asked, right? We're being asked where the derivative goes to 0. Anybody solve this? What is it?
Negative 2 times square root 7 plus 5 all over 3, or...
This doesn't work out any better than that? You know what? And let me say this to you. If you get on the exam, I was gonna stop this video and not submit it, but I think I am, because this is actually a good point. One, that we don't always know what the answer is when we start the video, and two, that if it's a calculator problem, then it could come out weird. If it's not a calculator problem, it should come out I'm not saying it should come out as a whole number. I'm not even saying it should come out as an integer, but it should come out to something reasonable. It could, but it could be something like 1.94 or 1.947832. It's not going to necessarily work out really, really clean, but if it comes out like as an imaginary number or something really just wicked crazy, then if you have time, take a quick look at it to see if there's some obvious mistake, right? Okay. Kevin Lee knows math.